Another excellent breathing technique is called Nadi Suddhi, or alternate nostril breathing. It is so wonderful for helping to calm the body, relax the muscles, and to relieve pain. It releases accumulated stress. It harmonizes the left and right hemispheres of the brain, and it really helps you feel emotionally balanced. It's also wonderful for bringing the mind back to the present moment. Often the mind has a tendency of regretting or glorifying the past and getting anxious or worried about the future. And Nadi Suddhi is a pranayama that really helps you bring your mind back to the present moment. Now, with all pranayama exercises, sit with the spine nice and erect. It's good to be in a quiet, airy place. Keep your head, neck, trunk erect in a straight line. The body should be still. You're going to take your right hand and fold the index and middle finger and make what's called the Vishnu Mudra. You're going to use your thumb and your ring finger to close off your nostrils. So you're going to take the thumb, close off the right nostril, exhale, inhale, and switch nostrils, then close off the left nostril with the ring finger and exhale and inhale out the right nostril. The inhalation should be slow and controlled, free from exertion or jerkiness. I had a teacher tell me once to imagine that you're inhaling a thin little thread of light and gently inhale and gently exhale. Try to make the exhalation a little bit longer than the inhalations and work up to having the out-breath even twice as long as the in-breath. Just like Dirgha Swasam breaths, the breathing should be diaphragmatic and should be slow and controlled with no sense of exertion. So you're closing off the nostril, inhaling through the belly, expanding the chest, breathing all the way up, and then exhaling, relaxing the chest, contracting the abdomen just slightly at the bottom. There's also a lot of different patterns with this breath, and some people practice differently in the morning than they do at night. But just learn this version and you'll find it's really good for relaxing the body, calming the mind, and relieving pain. Now let's begin. Sit up nice and straight. Make the Vishnu Mudra by closing your index finger and your middle finger, using your thumb and ring finger to pinch off your nostrils. So exhale, inhale, close off the right nostril, exhale, and inhale out the left nostril. Then close off the left nostril with your ring finger and exhale and inhale in the right nostril. So the pattern is to close off a nostril, then to exhale, inhale, and switch. Keep breathing gently at your own pace, closing off the nostril, exhaling gently, inhaling gently, then switch. Between the rounds of Nadi Suddhi, you can come back to the regular, relaxing Dirgha Swasam breaths. Remember, you should avoid frequent changes in technique, and that regular practice reaps the full benefits of Nadi Suddhi.